everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in Twitter in desktop. Now to log in, open the Google browser on your PC or any other browser that you have been using. Then open a new tab. There on the search bar, type in twitter.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on sign in. Now to sign in, you will have the Google option, Apple, and phone, email, or username option. So Apple and Google is a one-click logging process. If you tap on these, you will be logged in into your account with just one click. But here we're gonna go with the email process. So type in the email address, click on next, type in the password, click on login. This will get you logged in into the Twitter account of yours right away. Hope this video was useful on how to log in Twitter in desktop. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.